Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Marie Callender's Easy Prep Ready to Bake Pumpkin Pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here, so it's very simple. Just your pie, a baking sheet. I have lined mine with foil just in case there's any spillage. It's easy to clean up, and then some scissors to open everything up. First off, you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're just going to open up our pie. All right, now that we've got all of our wrapping off, we're just gonna place this on our baking sheet. And now we're just gonna pop this into the oven for, their recommendation is 70 to 80 minutes. Basically, we're looking for the edges to be firm and the center to come out clean if you insert a knife or toothpick into it. And we also want the center to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what we're looking for. I'm gonna put this in my oven and I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took for me. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it has been right about 76 minutes in the oven for me, and I tested the center. My toothpick came out clean, but I'm just gonna go ahead and test the temperature just to make sure that it's fully cooked. And we have reached over 165, so that is perfect. Our pumpkin pie is fully done now. Now all that's left to do is just let this sit for a couple hours and cool down, and then you can slice it up however you'd like. Now if you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.